Okay, guys, welcome to Jobs in Switzerland, software engineering jobs in Switzerland. Yeah, so I just created this content not up to some about hour and some minutes ago. So basically, here you'll be getting jobs, links to jobs in Switzerland for software engineers, both for junior software engineers and for senior software engineers too. So you get access to jobs here, not just per se you directly here, like you get links to actually apply on different platforms where there are short jobs currently being posted at maximum of a week ago, so you can apply and compete to get employed. Also, you can also read up on software developer jobs Switzerland with visa sponsorships, so which means you can get to know how to get your access to that. And just in case you are wondering, how do you get a job with visa sponsorship in Switzerland, we've actually written something for you there, so you can use the guideline there. I also listed the top companies that actually get jobs with visa sponsorship in most countries for people, including Switzerland, Surin, Van Hack, Andela. So you can try to check those companies out too. And other talents pipeline companies, recruiting firms which we may not have listed here too. So you can do your research and actually get that. But we're giving you a guideline to knowing the kind of company setup that does that. So next thing you might want to check out is probably these platforms like Relocate. Relocate can help you get jobs and that can also give you visa sponsorship. So Relocate is actually a job listing and recruiting platform, so you can check them out. Yeah, LinkedIn too. I know you're surprised that LinkedIn is there. Actually, LinkedIn actually has jobs that offer visa sponsorships too. So you can just check through the briefs on the jobs on LinkedIn, or probably you can filter. There's a way to filter down on that on LinkedIn. You can just do that, filter it, and you can get that. Indeed, do post jobs too like that. Then Zip Recruit too. Yeah, Smart Recruit and Bamboo HR and all those ones. You would see it there. You will see the offer there. So basically, you don't see Smart Recruit and Bamboo HR like that generally. So you have to like visit their website to get those details. So that's why we listed them there. Then how to get the software engineering jobs in Switzerland. I don't know if you've read our post on how to get the latest jobs in 2022. Just in case you have not read that, this is the link. Just click on this link here to read it. It will show you a broken down process of how to actually get this job easily using our strategy. And our strategy is actually one of the top rated strategy right now in the industry. Yes, every student we have trained on our live webinar and trainers have been invited for to actually train have testified that this strategy works for them, so you can actually implement it. Though there's a short summary here of how you do it, so you can just go to the blog and read through how you will do that. Then how to get software engineer just if you're from in Switzerland, if you're from India, basically there is no difference there, so you just have to apply the same process we actually did here to doing that. So and if you, just in case you need to like you need a guide or a procedure to do those structures, you can reach out to us. We charge $50 to train you how to do that per person. $50 per person, not much at all. And how much does a software engineer job software engineer earn in Switzerland? You can see that they earn at least $100,000 a year, which is approximately like $8,000 a month. So it is a good pay, like a good pay. At least for a junior developer who is starting out, you can still earn $3,000 to $4,000 per month, which is a very good pay. So what language or what's the lingua franca in Switzerland? Actually, you are lucky enough if you can speak English, German, French, and Italian, you can be established in Switzerland. But the workspaces in Switzerland, the offices actually pivoting to English. So yeah, you can just read up this and maximize to your taste, and you can actually use that too. So just in case you are done and you want to actually try out under stuff like civil engineering jobs in Switzerland, if you have people who might be needed that you can share to them, you can also check out best Montenegro jobs. You can check out engineering jobs in Antarctica, depending on whichever one you are interested in. So yeah, so you can just go there, navigate to this platform, route it around, maximize the content there for you. And who knows, you might just come back sharing testimony with us. But don't forget to come and pay your 10% as a tithe, because you got the info first hand from us. So yeah, till we meet again, it's a goodbye from Job Shop.